Aerostar update part 2. As you can see, I've gotten a lot more out of the way. I got the fan, radiator, shroud, water pump, condenser, compressor. So it looks a little bit more open in here than in the last video. Aside from the head gasket issue, well, basically the combustion gases were seeping into the cooling system, which was causing this thing to overheat and increasing pressure into the cooling system big time. Intermittently, it also had a little bit of a coolant leak, but I had no idea where it was coming from. But as I look over here, I can tell that there used to be a little bit of a leak here, so I'm guessing that's where my leak was coming from. But likely that was caused by the overpressure in the system, but I got to take care of this anyway. Most progress I've done so far in just one day. At least according to the Haynes manual, which I've never read, but I've always heard, you have to drop this engine from down below. So that means having this thing on a lift or on tall jack stands and dropping this engine from below. So that involves removing the subframe, but I don't want to go through that. So I think in the following video, it will be of this front bumper removed, and the transmission cooler, and perhaps this wiring harness that crosses over. So it'll be a lot of fun digging through all of that. What would have been awesome is just transplanting a 5-liter from like a 96 to 01 Explorer, but that's a little bit too much of a project for me. But yeah, this is definitely taking shape, or unshaped, and I think I'll have enough room to pull this engine out from the front.